Hi, I'm Bill Blaine, strategist at Shard Capital here in London. Let's talk about aviation and Boeing in particular. Everyone will be aware that this has been a terrible year for Boeing. Earlier we had the crash of two Boeing 737 MAXs, killing 346 people, and it's resulted in a whole stream of negative stories about Boeing. Top of that list is the fact that they have spent enormous amounts of money buying back their own stock, which has pushed the stock to stratospheric levels, but has also put enormous amounts of bonuses in the hands of their management. At the same time, though, the management failed to invest in designing and developing new aircraft to replace the venerable 737 design. Instead, they just decided to extend it, which made it unbalanced and has basically caused the crashes. But other problems in terms of build quality and accounting for old aircraft designs means the company is really struggling. There are even rumours it could be broken up. But it's not just an issue of the problems that Boeing is having, it's a question of aviation finance, because the narrative is changing. People will now be familiar with the term flight shaming. It's almost impossible for a celebrity to even consider using a private jet to fly. And everyone is thinking about how they offset their carbon footprint when they fly. And that could potentially be a problem for airlines who have ordered large numbers of new aircraft. Now, investing in aviation has always been very successful. You get paid returns based on the aircraft that are rented by airlines from aircraft leasing companies. But the trick there has been at the end of the lease to make sure that the valuations meet the expectations when you bought the aircraft originally. And now there are serious concerns. There have been a large number of bankruptcies in the airline business, and many of the aircraft they were using have not yet found new homes. The trick with aircraft leasing and aircraft investment is to make sure you're invested in the right aircraft types and know all about what the pricing is going to be. And that means greater due diligence. As for Boeing, that's going to be more difficult. Just this week, they've managed to get new orders for the Dreamliner, which everyone admits is a superb aircraft, and even orders for the troubled MAX B737. But that's not going to be enough to save the company. We need them to get the MAX back in the air and back making money.